Pierce Brosnan. Long before Daniel Craig's smack-talking days, Pierce Brosnan got himself into hot water for sharing his less than favorable thoughts about playing the role as well. In a 2014 interview with The Telegraph, Brosnan claimed the Bond films he starred in were purely surface. "I felt I was caught in a time warp between Roger and Sean," Brosnan said. "It was a very hard one to grasp the meaning of for me. The violence was never real. The brute force of the man was never palpable. It was quite tame, and the characterization didn't have a follow-through of reality, it was surface." Source: Telegraph. More Pierce Brosnan. The best Pierce Brosnan movies. 221 of 1017. The best actors in film history. 47 of 310. The coolest actors ever. Luciana Paluzzi. Luciana Paluzzi. Joseph Wiseman. Joseph Wiseman. Honor Blackman. Honor Blackman had one of the most iconic roles in any Bond film ever. She played Pussy Galore in the 1964 film Goldfinger. However, Blackman finds the whole idea of being a Bond girl very derogatory. She said, "Stop calling us Bond girls. We are women and actresses." John Cleese. After playing the role of Q in 2 James Bond films, John Cleese left the franchise. He felt that Bond films were starting to play too much into Asian culture, standards, and ideals, and that the new format didn't inspire him. He said the big money was coming from Asia, from the Philippines, Vietnam, Indonesia, where the audiences go to watch the action sequences, and that's why, in my opinion, the action sequences go on for too long, and it's a fundamental flaw, Cleese said in 2014. More John Cleese. 208 of 1017. The best actors in film history. 36 of 233. The funniest stand-up comedians of all time. 231 of 904. Celebrity Death Pool 2021. Sean Connery. Perhaps the most notorious trasher of the Bond role was Sean Connery. He said, "I have always hated that damn James Bond. I'd like to kill him." Connery feels that he has never been able to shed the image of James Bond, and therefore refused to speak about the role. Source: The Guardian. More Sean Connery. The very best Sean Connery movies. Legendary behind-the-scenes stories from Sean Connery's illustrious career. 38 of 310. The coolest actors ever. Teri Hatcher. In an interview with Yahoo News, Teri Hatcher, known for playing Paris Carver in the 1997 film Tomorrow Never Dies, said playing the role gave her no joy at all. "It's such an artificial kind of character to be playing that you don't get any special satisfaction from it," she said. Perhaps she finds her role in Tango and Cash more fulfilling. More Teri Hatcher. 196 of 349. The best American actresses working today. 445 of 843. The best actresses in film history. 751 of 1883. The greatest actors and actresses in entertainment history. Daniel Craig. Daniel Craig.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.